100 million daw ang kapalit ng boto. Nagalit yung mga senador. Sinasabi nyo ngayon po sa amin na may ganon.
Meron akong hindi lamang sa naririnig, kung hindi, swearing talaga on the Bible. Hindi talagang doon ako kasi nang pinag-usapan yon ngayon, natural yung taong yun ayaw magtestigo. Kaya naririnig ko na sa akin na lang na evaluation kung may katotohanan kaya yan ang paninira. Yan o just loose talk, no? And I'm convinced that my source is unimpeachable. Ibig sabihin, talagang authoritative na source yun.
Kung kayo po ang tatanungin, Senator Santiago, yung inyo daw hubang salin was it truthfully and completely declared?
Yeah, kaya I'm perfectly willing to reveal everything.
May clamor din po to sign a similar waiver
I'd
signed
be
by
very
the Chief
happy to sign that
Justice.
waiver if it is demanded of me.